Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to do Dhal Makhani gravy. So to make this gravy, I have taken 200 grams of black ulund. I have soaked it in water for half an hour. Then pressure cooked this for 10 minutes in sim. See, now I have pressure cooked. One small onion I have finely chopped. Few pieces of garlic pounded. One tomato chopped. Chili powder, salt. So now I am adding this chopped tomato in pressure cooked dal, one onion chopped, pounded garlic, half tablespoon of chili powder, add required amount of water, salt. See, it has come to this consistency. Now close the cooker, pressure cook for another 5 minutes. Then once the pressure is released, open it. Season it with mustard seeds, jeera, asafoetida and curry leaf. Now dal makhani gravy is ready. This gravy you can have it for rice as lunch or any type of parathas, dosa, idli. For everything you can have. Idiyappam. Black ulund has a lot of medicinal benefits. This is one of the recipe I have made. Please try the recipe. Subscribe, comment and like the video. Now once the season is ready, you can add the seasoning to dal makhani. Mix it well. Just boil it one time. It's enough. Now the gravy is ready.